Our bags are packed and we're ready to go.
Hello, I'm Chris.
And I'm Tovah, and welcome to Chris and Tovah's Amazing Adventures. We're here at our home in San Juan del Sur, Nicaragua, and sadly we have to go back to Canada for a couple more months before we move here full time. But that does mean we're flying through the States, and that means we need to do a rapid COVID test before we can fly. So we're going to walk you through the steps of how you do that. There's a really great site in Canada, Vida Health. I'll put the link in the description, and basically it's BYOK. So you bring your own kit, and then you just do the telehealth nasal swab and do your results and everything online, and they email you the results. So it's really fast, really easy, and that means you don't need to find a place and travel and do all that. And if you need a test before you go, then you can do one at home and then one at your destination. All right, so we're gonna get logged in here. So this is the testing that we did before we traveled down. It's really super simple. It only takes a couple of minutes, and it's really nice that you can bring your own kit, so you don't have to worry about trying to get one in the mail and is it gonna make it in time, all that kind of jazz. And then, like I said, you're not looking to find a place to test at whatever destination you're in. So for us here in Nicaragua, we need to go into the capital city, which is 2.5 to 3 hours away. That's where we need to go to get our testing done. So kind of eats at the end of your vacation, whereas this just like boom, hop online and do the telehealth and off you go.
And in Canada, they offer these kits. They come in packs of 5 for free.
Yeah. And if you are traveling with multiple people, you don't need to make separate appointments. When you set up the appointment, you just say whether it's one person, two person, three person, and you just do it all right in that same call, which is pretty nice. So what you should have in your test kit is make sure that you keep the box, because you need to show them what kind of kit you have. And then obviously you'll have whatever kind of test collection, the nasal swabs, and then the little cartridges that you put the drops into. Every test kit's gonna look a little bit different, but there is a list on the Vida Health website of which test kits are approved for them to be able to do telehealth. And like Chris said, it was the ones that we got right from our pharmacy. So. And they also have a really, their website, they're very responsive. They have a chat in there. So if you did have any questions, if you had a kid and you weren't sure if it was the right one before you left Canada, you can just zip on a chat with them and they can verify that that's the right one if you didn't see it on the list.
Hello.
Morning!
Hi. How are you guys?
Good, how are you?
I'm good. Good, thanks. Okay, and you guys are calling from... I know you're not in Edmonton.
Yeah. We're in Nicaragua.
Sorry, where?
In Nicaragua.
Oh, Nicaragua. Okay. Okay, you can start by preparing the test kits, or you guys have it ready.
We have it already.
Okay, yeah. You can open the nasal swab, and I'm just gonna watch you guys.
Yeah.
Now we put it in.
Oh, salut.
Yeah, you can mix it with the proper solution.
How's your Sunday going so far?
Good, still pretty busy at the clinic actually.
Yeah? Lots of people
People are
traveling?
traveling now.
Yeah. Well, and it's so nice. This service is so awesome. Like, you don't have to try to find somewhere to go get tested and bring your own kit.
Yeah,
Makes it easy.
everything's online. Okay, I'm sorry. In the meantime, if you can type in the name, your date of birth, and passport number for each person.
Yep, those are both as is written on our passports.
Okay, so I have your information. Just give me around 15 to 30 minutes to send you your document. And yeah, that should be it.
Awesome.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right.
Bye. Our bags are packed and we're ready to go.